Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has launched an integrated hydrogen-powered shuttle bus service in the Central Vista area, marking a major step toward clean public transport in the national capital. The initiative has been launched in collaboration with the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs and the Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas, with technical and fuel support from Indian Oil Corporation Limited. Mahanagar Gas Limited, one of India's leading city gas distribution companies, will be organizing a mega PNG registration camp in Sion to promote the adoption of clean and convenient cooking fuel. The camp will be held at Mumbai Public School Pratiksha Nagar, Sion on Sunday 17th May 2026 from 11 am to 6 pm. The Ministry of Railways has announced key leadership appointments at Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation Limited (MRVC), strengthening the organization's top management for upcoming railway infrastructure projects in Mumbai and surrounding regions. The appointments include Shri Abhishek Swami as Director Finance and Shri Manish Pradhan as Director Technical. In a move aimed at strengthening workforce capability and future-ready skill development, the Ministry of Steel, Government of India, facilitated a learning from each other workshop at the Rourkela Steel Plant of Steel Authority of India Limited. SJVN Limited has reported its audited standalone financial results for the year ended 31st March 2026. SJVN audited results FY26, PAT 1008 crore rupees, up 3.9%, revenue 3545 crore rupees, total dividend 1.50 rupees per share, net worth 14,708 crore rupees. C&AG audit applicable. India's defense manufacturing sector received a major boost as Defense Minister Rajnath Singh laid the foundation stone for a new naval systems manufacturing facility of BDL at T. Sirasapalli village in Andhra Pradesh's Anakapalli district on May 15, 2026. The upcoming facility is aimed at strengthening India's indigenous defense production and supporting the vision of Atmanirbhar Bharat in the strategic defense sector. BEML Limited has announced the appointment of Shobha Sivasankaran as Chief General Manager Finance, strengthening its senior leadership team and reinforcing its focus on financial excellence and strategic growth. Sivasankaran brings nearly 3 decades of rich experience in finance and corporate governance, having previously served at Steel Authority of India Limited. NBCC India Limited has secured new work orders worth approximately 52.14 crore rupees, excluding GST, in the normal course of business, strengthening its project pipeline across infrastructure and healthcare segments. The company informs stock exchanges that the contracts include construction consultancy services and operation and maintenance responsibilities for key institutional projects. Hindustan Copper Limited has reported its audited standalone financial results for the year ended 31st March 2026. Reported PAT 207 crore rupees, one-time exceptional provision of 95.75 crore rupees for PRMS, dividend 1.86 rupees per share. No independent director since November 2024. Container Corporation of India Limited has signed a Memorandum of Understanding with Bharat Mumbai Container Terminals Private Limited, India's largest container terminal at Jawaharlal Nehru Port Authority, to strengthen rail-based logistics connectivity for domestic and EXIM cargo.